Hey, what's up? I'm Adam with Aerial Motion Photography, and in this video, I'm going to do a sound test with these low noise props versus these aftermarket props from Master Airscrew. Master Airscrew claims to have less noise and better performance. So let's put these things to the test. Maybe put on some headphones and see which one you think sounds quieter, sounds better. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so these are the normal props. Okay, just finished the test between the propellers. So we started out with the stock propellers, then the DJI low noise propellers, the ones that come on the Air 2S, and then we compared it to the Master Airscrew propeller. I feel like each propeller kind of did their thing. So I was surprised, at least like off my ear, that these did decrease the sound a little bit. What's crazy is they feel like almost exactly the same, and they look like the same exact shape. So I don't know what has really changed, but they did decrease the noise. At least that's what I heard while flying the drone. So the overall winner to this challenge would definitely be the ones from Master Airscrew. I noticed a huge drop in tone or pitch, whatever it is that makes things, I guess, less annoying. And I think anytime you can make your drone sound less annoying or more quiet, that is a good thing. It brings less attention to yourself, bothers people less, and then if you're flying your drone, you don't want something that you hear to be super loud and annoying. So I think I would definitely recommend these propellers, especially if you're trying to decrease the noise. I know for sure that they do that. And then they also claim that they increase the performance, so that would just be a bonus. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. That means a lot to me. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like these, and then check those notifications to be notified when I upload my newest videos. As always, my name's Adam. Fly safe, take care, peace.